Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we'll be unboxing, reviewing and testing one of Moza Racing's latest sim racing add-ons, which is the MOZA Multi-function Stalks. Packed with 28 programmable switches, auto-cancelling turn signals, and compatibility with all Moza bases, this gear promises to elevate your sim racing experience. This product is a nice addition to Moza Racing's truck ecosystem, so that's more good news for the truck sim fans. Let's unbox, set it up and put it to the test. These Stalks arrive nicely protected in this package. And here we find the USB-A to USB-C cable for connecting these Stalks, all the necessary screws and bits. The multi-function Stalks are compatible with all Moza bases from R3 to R21. They include brackets and extension rods for easy installation, supporting both standard and inverted mounting. These Stalks can be directly mounted to bases with front mounting holes and adjusted for ergonomic comfort, and with the right brackets are compatible with third-party wheelbases. And guys, this is the MOZA Multi-function Stalks themselves wrapped securely. Taking a closer look, the Stalks are designed with ergonomics in mind. The 28 switches are perfectly positioned for easy access, and each one offers a satisfying feedback. The build quality screams durability. It's clear Moza intended this to be a long-term investment. Built with the same components as real vehicles, the Stalks, dials and buttons deliver an authentic feel, providing a truly immersive driving experience. Now let's get this installed. One of the standout features of Moza accessories is their seamless integration with all Moza bases. I'm using the R5 base, which lacks the front mounting holes, but luckily Moza has included this metal mounting bracket. It's easily installed with just 4 screws. Moza also included the necessary screws and bits for bases with front mounting holes as well. This setup is straightforward and can be done in under 10 minutes, even quicker if you're already familiar with Moza's ecosystem. So guys, before we install the steering wheel, let's check out all the Stalks up close. The right Stalk has all the wiper controls, of course on and off switch, rear and front windshield wiper spray and wiper speed intensity. Moving on to the left side, we have the turn signal Stalk, which has an auto-cancelling features and has all the light controls like high beam and low beam. Below it we have the cruise control Stalk, which is just super convenient, especially in sim games with longer drives like Euro Truck Sim and American Truck Simulator. After we install the included extension rod, we can easily snap on the truck steering wheel. We connect the Stalks to our PC via the USB cable, and we can jump over to Euro Truck Sim and assign the corresponding functions to the Stalks. We can see the multi-function Stalks appearing as input device. Now for the fun part, let's take the MOZA Multi-function Stalks for a spin in Euro Truck Simulator. I've set up all the controls for maximum immersion. Let's see how they perform on the open road. First, the turn signals. The auto-cancelling works like a charm. The tactile feedback on the switches is excellent. Each press feels precise, and the ergonomic design means I can make adjustments without taking my hands off the steering wheel. The auto-cancelling turn signals are a standout feature. It's these small details that make the experience feel even more authentic. It's not just functional, it's immersive as well. Next, I also tested the cruise control stalks, which also works brilliantly. If we engage it, we can see the green line appearing on the speedometer, and if I just move the stalk up to increase the desired cruise speed, the green line also moves up to indicate my target speed. This is just super satisfying to use, and it just feels so much more authentic, especially with the truck game. The light controls also feel just as authentic. The wiper controls work great and as intended with no hiccups whatsoever. So guys, who should consider the MOZA Multi-function Stalks? If you're a sim racing enthusiast, these stalks add realism and control that standard setups can't match. For truck sim fans, like those who enjoy Euro Truck Simulator or American Truck Sim, the customizable switches are a dream. And if you're already part of the MOZA ecosystem, this is a no-brainer, it integrates perfectly. Overall, the MOZA Multi-function Stalks are a premium upgrade for any sim racing enthusiast. From the high build quality to the endless customizability, it's worth every penny for those seeking immersion and performance. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more sim racing content. And let me know in the comments what would you map these 28 switches. Until next time guys, and thanks for watching.